first settlers in the Mississippi Delta arrived at Lake Washington around 1825. St. John's Episcopal Church was built in the 1850s, and the lead in the windows was used to make bullets during the Civil War. The church was struck by a tornado in 1904 and destroyed. Lake Washington is an oxbow lake formed when the Mississippi River changed course around 1300 AD. Now I'm on Grace Road. It's a ride off Highway 1 at Grace. This is a shortcut over to Highway 14 that will take me to Myersville, Mississippi. Myersville was founded in 1871 by David Mic. It was the port on the river that shipped cotton from Sharkey and Issaquah counties, but its popularity as a port declined as railroads were built in the Mississippi Delta. Unita Blackwell was elected the first black female mayor in Mississippi. Look in the background and you can see that's the Mississippi River. The Farm Security Administration was a New Deal program established by Franklin Roosevelt in 1937. Between 1937 and 1943, FSA photographers took nearly 80,000 pictures of life in Depression-era America. The FSA photographers captured the varied world of both black and white farmers in the Mississippi Delta. The New Hope Missionary Baptist Church in Estill, Mississippi, was constructed in 1918. It survived the 1927 flood because of its close proximity to Deer Creek, which is higher to the surrounding land. A new roof was installed in 2018, but no work has been done since then. Satartia is Mississippi's smallest incorporated municipality. Satartia is a Choctaw word meaning pumpkin place. In the early 1800s, Satartia was a busy shipping point from which cotton was transported by steamboat down the Yazoo River to New Orleans. During the Civil War, General Grant sailed a gunboat from Vicksburg and captured the village. The Wilson House on Plum Street was General Grant's headquarters during the occupation.